Hi, I'm Katherine, and I am with the accounting department, and I've been with ACCU since 2021. We're here to facilitate the communication between a homeowner and the association, and we want to make sure that both of them are on the same page and can come to an agreement, especially when there's a lot of back and forth. We're the ones that understand the documents, and we can be that bridge between the homeowner and the association. You don't have to be a board member to reach out to the HOA management company. If you're a homeowner who lives in an HOA community, you can give us a call, email us, or submit a ticket through the homeowner portal. The homeowner portal is probably the easiest and quickest way to get your request to us, and it's the quickest way for us to respond and address any concerns or questions you may have. If you need any help logging in or accessing your portal, we do have a lot of videos that show you how to access that portal and how to submit requests. Feel free to check those out and reach out to us if you have any questions or concerns.